In this video, we'll show you how to sew sleeves of a Rhinebeck sweater. You will find the first leg of each side, bar in between that's the beginning, and pick up the leg, one of each side, from the body and the sleeve. After that, you will go in and out the bar. So insert the needle in and out, and insert the needle and skip one small stitch in between. You will skip that. That's the difference between regular mattress stitch and this is Loopy Mango mattress stitch, I guess. So insert the needle and skip one stitch and out, in and out. So you will repeat these steps all the way to the end and secure the end. In and out, in and out. So pretty simple. In and out, in and out. Dun, dun, dun. That is pretty much it. In and out, insert the needle where it came from and skip one stitch, bar in between and out, and go the other side and one side at a time and repeat this step till the end. That's it.